Now, we've got another faculty. It is the faculty that have the most boys as the student. What is it? It is Faculty of Geological Engineering, or commonly pronounced in Indonesian FTG. FTG is engaged in learning and developing geology science by orienting to the link and match patterns. In its implementation, the faculty strives to produce reliable and professional geologists who have excellent competency. The faculty has specialty in the fields of energy and mineral exploration, geological engineering, and many more. So, to the Faculty of Geological Engineering, the time is yours.
Okay, Luna, thank you very much for the time, and also good afternoon, everyone, and for all of the participation who already joined on the YouTube. So on the first, I would like to thank you for all of upgraders Unpad for the organization of this International Edu Fair 2021. So on behalf of Faculty of Geological Engineering, let me introduce myself. My name is Santi Dwi Pratwi. I'm head of Internationalization Unit, Faculty of Geological Engineering. So today I would like to introduce and also sharing about information in our faculty, especially for the international program and also for the what kind of the program we have in our faculty. So I want to share for the PPT. Okay, is that clear? Okay, Fada, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So for the Faculty of Geological Engineering, we have vision in 2019, which is a perspective to net of the natural resource utilization in exchange the natural energy potential under environmentally dignified geological concept, and also in 2020 to continue, we will develop international competitive study in the geological engineering. So for the mission, we promote geological education that creates skillful, scientific driver and competitive scholar. And also we equipping the student with the entrepreneurial spirit that enable them to compete and accept in the industry as well as geological professional, and also for geoscience researcher, yeah. And the one important thing also, we organize community service by applying the result of basic and applied geological research for the benefit of the community, government, and also related with the stakeholders. So we not just focus on energy, but also we are developed for the sustainable development program. So here for the history of the Faculty of Geological Engineering, so developed in the 1959 as the Department of Geology. Previously, we are joined with the Faculty of Physical and Natural Science. And in the 1997, we have two programs, namely is Geological Engineering and Geology at Faculty Mathematics and Natural Science. And we established into one program of study that is Geological Engineering. And starting in December 2007, the Department of Geology was changed to the Faculty of Geological Engineering with until now. And then we are always accepted with the increasing number of students and graduates each year. In 2009, we developed or we established for the master degree program, and continue in 2011, we developed for the doctoral degree program. And since 2017, the Faculty of Geological Engineering was accredited with an A ranking from the National Accreditation Board of Higher Education. So here is for the structural organization in our faculty. The dean is Professor Mega Fatima Rosana, and we have two vice dean. So also we have one of head of undergraduate program, head of graduate program for master and doctoral, and we have head of department geological science and department of applied geology, and we also have two manager of research cooperation, and also the second is for the manager is the one is manager of research cooperation, community service and innovation, and the second is the manager of for the community development. And also for the next is for the manager of government and planning and data. And also for the last one is head of internationalization unit. So in the human research, we have around 54 lecture, whereas more than 1,000 students. We have academic staff around 50, and we have graduates more than 30,000 students. And for in detail, you can see here for percentage of the lecture with the background of doctoral graduate, we always increase every year. Until now is more than 60%. And then for the student, we have more than 85% of undergraduate student, 9% doctoral degree student, and 5% master degree program. And for the administration officer, we have librarian, laboratory assistant for the technical operator program, and also for the administrative staff. In detail, we also have each professor, including expert in the field of volcanology, engineering, isotope hydrogeology, sedimentology, geomorphology, petrology, and also in exploration geology. So, beside of that, we also have 10 laboratory, which is can be for the research development and for the student and also for the lecture. With the name is geochemist and geothermal. The second is geophysics, paleontology laboratory, petrology and mineralogy, sedimentology, structural geology, engineering geology, hydrogeology and environmental geology, stratigraphy laboratory, geomorphology and remote sensing. And also we have two support laboratory for the student and also for the lecturer. The one is information technology and the second is workstation for the student. And also we have one international collaboration research laboratory with Akita University of Japan, whereas for this laboratory can be using by the inbound and outbound student, not just for undergraduate, but also for the master and doctoral study. And also, we also have international lecture, where is support for our program in undergraduate, especially in the regular class, whereas every semester, we also have a guest lecture or general lecture, or also for the workshop together with the international cooperation, especially from Japan, and also from Algeria, and also the one is from Malaysia. So as you can see here, for the facility and infrastructure, we have two campuses for the Faculty of Geological Engineering. The first in Jatinangor, the second in the Bandung. So for the Jatinangor campus, you can see here we have two academic building, building 1 and building 2. And also inside of the that building, we have a laboratory facility. And also for the laboratory facility, we not just in the inside of the room, but also we have field laboratory. That is cooperation with this another research organization, the one in the Padalarang area, yeah. So for the field laboratory can be using for the all of the students to do for the research, to do for the thesis, and for the research collaboration with the Dutch research scientists in the Dutch Padalarang area. Sorry. And here is for the another laboratory for the engineering geology laboratory. You can see here for the facility we have like that, and also we have IT laboratory support for the especially for applied geoscience and applied geological engineering study. We have library, and also for the discussion room it can be using for the student who is doing for the mapping and also for the thesis also. And here is for the laboratory equipment. Some of equipment you can see here in detail, and also. Based on that laboratory facility and also for the support from all of the staff and professor we have, we also develop collaboration with the international collaboration and national collaboration. As you can see here, for the international collaboration, we have around 13, where it's not just from university, but also from company, especially from Chevron's company, Woodside, Microman company, Mitrice company, and also for Statoil company. And for the national collaboration, we also collaborate with the National University in Indonesia and also development for the research, not just for the lecture, but also for the student. And also we have a webinar or workshop together with our national collaboration. So here is example for our collaboration. As you can see here, we have a collaboration with Pertamina Hulu Energy, and we have also with Microman Indonesia for the company, and also we also develop collaboration with Governor of Maluku area for the undergraduate study and also for the research collaboration. And here is example for the international cooperation activity we have with Japan. And for this activity is not just for the lecture, but we have one special program where is the student from the undergraduate and from the master can using the laboratory facility in Akita University of Japan for the thesis and also for dissertation. and that is all can be using from all of the Faculty Geological Engineering student. And here is the one of important also. We have the one of the important area for the research of Geopark, and that is also developed by our Professor Mega. Where is the name is Geopark Ciletuh Pelabuhan Ratu, Sukabumi. That is become Global Geopark Network, UNESCO in 2017. And here is another cooperation. We have international conference, where is 2 times or maybe one every year. We have a collaboration international conference with international university, where is in this part, not just for lecture, but also for a student, where we want to develop or we want to get information for what is kind of the new research we can get or we can learn in the international cooperation, so we can develop or we can establish for the another high level for the research and also for the competition of our student in undergraduate and also for the postgraduate student. Here is beside of the international cooperation, we also have community surveys activity. So in the national level, as you can see here, many activity report by our student. And also for the guest lecture, that is also we have international and national. And also for the international cooperation, as I mentioned before, we are not just develop for the mineral or petroleum exploration study, but also we are develop for sustainable development in the environmental study and also for the integrated study between geology and another multidisciplinary research and also for the study, for example, with the Faculty of Regional Design, Autonomia University. So we are still develop for the cooperation until now. And okay, now I would like to introduce in detail for the what kind of the program we have. The first is we have undergraduate program. The second is we have master program, and the last one I will explain about the doctoral program in the specific. So for the undergraduate program, we got accreditation in the since 2017 with accreditation A. And for the undergraduate program of engineering geology or geological engineering faculty, offer 5 areas of consultation. The first is to be young energy exploration geologist, mineral exploration geologist, geological engineering expert, and the last one is geological researcher. And also we have geo-entrepreneurship. And the implementation of the final project or thesis is directly to solving problem and managing resource or disaster according to development priority. And also for the curriculum, we have total credit required for the completion of the undergraduate program is around 144 until 146 credit, which can be taken for students around each semester or 4 years. And here is the number, the data of number of students we have until now. So we have in the 2019-2020 academic years, we have more than 180 students. And then for the presentation graduation rate, who is a graduate on time, that is more than 60% every year, as you can see here in the graphic. And also for the percentage of the graduation, relatively for the index cumulative score is more than 3.5. Okay. And next is master degree program. On the master degree program, we also got accreditation A since 2017 until now. And for the admission of the new student of master degree is conducted in the integrated manner based on selection by SMUP Unpad. And also for the new student enrollment is conducted online from March to May for the first term and around September for the second term for each academic year. So we have 2 times for the admission term. And then for the method of admission, of course, that is will be follow the provision of the Universitas Padjadjaran. And for the master program of engineering or geological engineering, offer 5 areas of consultation. The first is a consultation field of energy exploration. The second is mineral exploration. The third is environmental and engineering. And the next is mining, territory, industry, and city. And the last one, we also have concentration field of disaster mitigation. So here is for the number of students. We also have high total number for the master student here is until now is more than 80 students already graduate on time, and then the percentage of the graduation rate on time also more than 60%, similar with the graduate undergraduate student program. And for the student body, as you can see here, for our student is more than 83 students already graduation in our program until 2020. And here is for the fields work graduate program. We already done in the fields. It's not just in the Japa, but also in the other area in the national area. And the next is for the doctoral degree program. So for the doctoral degree program, we also conduct, or you can be take for the 3 years with the 6 semester, and the maximum is 7 years or 14 semester without an extension of the study period. And the competition of the doctoral graduate are expected to be principal researcher in energy geology, in the mineral geology, and also in the principal researcher of geological engineering. And for the unique program on our doctoral program in the field of engineering geology in Pajajaran is development of energy resources and also mineral resources, as well as engineering and territorial oriented toward environmental breathing toward sustainable development. Whereas for the doctoral program is based on research study. And here is for the number of our students, where we have a high, more than 30 students already graduate from our faculty since 2015 until 2020. And then also for the rating of the index accumulation is more than 3.8. And here is for the student body. And for all of the students, that's a program in the master and doctoral degree program, as I mentioned before, we have more than 35 lecturers who is teaching in our program with the age professor, yeah. And then that is also from applied geology and also from geoscience background. And here is example for our graduate program activity we already done, not just in our university, but also collaboration with another national university and company. And here is for the graduate program activity we have until now, and we have also international student here. And here is for the graduate student and alumni scientific activity. We also always invited our alumni to join for the webinar, for the seminar, and also for the international cooperation seminar to join together and sharing knowledge with our student in graduate or in the postgraduate student. And we also have journal of scientific, not just for lecture, but also for our student. We have 3, Pajajaran Geoscience Journal, Scientific Contribution of Geology, and also for a Journal of Geological, Scientific, and Applied Geology. And beside of that, we also have student organization. As you can see here, we also have for the international level in Society of Economic Geology, we have SPE International, we have Association of Petroleum Geology, and so on. For the student organization, here is for the some of the activity already done by our student. Not just in the campus, but also in the other area in Indonesia and also in national level for the development of the collaboration with not just for education, but also for human society and social science. And here is for the distribution of student intensive we have until 2020. So as you can see here, for the intensive student is not just in the company, but also in the government we have, and also in the LIPI research science program, and also in another company, not just in the petroleum and mineral, but also in the sustainable development program, such as in the hazard mitigation and also in geopark area. Okay, so the next is international program we have in the Faculty of Geological Engineering. So every year or every 2 years, we have international conference, whereas in the last year we already developed for the, or we already done for the International Conference of Geology, where it consists of each country speaker, keynote speaker. So it's from Australia, Netherlands, from Algeria, Philippines, and also from Japan. We are collaborate together to develop and also for the join together for writing a research publication, not just for lecture, but also for cross of a student in the international level. Here is for the research collaboration we have. This collaboration is for intensive for the transfer credit program, exchange program for double degree, master and doctoral, and also for the research collaboration. We already done with the Utsunomiya University of Japan, and then with USTHB Algeria, University Malaysia Kuantan, Kyushu University, Hokkaido University, University Malaysia Sabah, Chiba University, and also we have special double degree and exchange transfer credit with Faculty of International Resource Science of Akita University. Here is some of international collaboration student inbound we have. That is every year we accepted for the student inbound from Malaysia, Japan, and also in another country, not just for undergraduate, but also for the master and doctoral program. Here is for the inbound. We are developed for the, this one is an example for the thesis or for the dissertation presentation, and also here for the geopark management or the geopark study in the Celetuh Pelabuhan Ratu Geopark. And also we have several such as colloquium together with the undergraduate student for the international inbound student. And here is for the outbound. As you can see here, we are also give our lecture is exchange doing exchange program in international with the Malaysia, and also we are joined together, or we are visiting laboratory in another university to develop more cooperation for our student and also for our lecture research. And here is for the international collaboration student outbound and inbound. You can see in detail we have a website for international unit Faculty of Geological Engineering. I will share last in our presentation. Yeah, as you can see here for the international student, we already have in the Akita University and Malaysia. And usually because of the pandemic, we also doing an online lecture for that exchange student. And here is for the webinar we already developed, not just from university, but also by international company to increase of the knowledge about geology, and also for the technology we can use for the research for student and also for the lecture. And here I will explain in detail for the transfer credit program with Akita University. So every year we will open for the 5 students outbound and inbound who want to join for the this program, where is for the this can be a period for the 1 semester, that is will be open in April and also in August, and then also the student can take for the 2 semester. That is usually is from the first year student can apply for this program. And this is already open in our website and our Instagram, so you can see in detail for this program for the spring semester and also for the winter semester. So the next is for the double degree program. We also development for the Faculty of Geological Engineering with Graduate School of International Resource Science Akita University, and this program already open in this year. So also similar with the exchange program, we also open for the 5 students every year for this program. Whereas for the 1 year, the student will be conduct or will be study in Universitas Padjadjaran under Faculty of Geological Engineering, and also for the next year doing research, and also for the doing dissertation, they can go to Akita University and take class around 2 semester or around 8 months to stay in Akita University. And here is for the consultation we have between Akita University and Geological Engineering Unpad. So the first is consultation field on energy exploration and mineral exploration, and also we have field on geoscience. So the faculty, the Faculty of Geological Engineering with the background of the geological science and geology science and also applied geology can apply for this program. And for the target of career and also in this double degree program, we will issue 2 master degree, both from University Padjadjaran and also for Akita University. So you can get the degree by Master of Engineering and or from Akita University, or also you can choose for Master of Resource Science. And here for the academic years, we will open every semester for the August and also for the February. And beside of that, we also have double degree program doctoral. That is will be established in this year. Also, we are now is a communication for the development of the syllabus and curriculum. So that is with Faculty of Earth Science, Geography, and Territorial Planning. University of Science and Technology Harare Boumediene, Algeria for the doctoral degree program. And also we have exchange for the master or doctoral to study for research or for dissertation in the Kyushu University Undergraduate School of Engineering and School of Engineering, Kyushu University of Japan. So all of that is my presentation. For the contact or submission, or you want to know about detail our program or inquiry and further information, you can visit our website in www.ftgeology.unpad.ac.id, or for our IG we already have at geology_unpad or at international unit FTG, or you can send email to our secretariat of undergraduate program and also to secretariat of graduate program. Here is for the email, and also we already put here for the telephone if you need more information. Okay. Here is for our website. You can see for detail, and yes, also you can ask for detail if you want to submit your application or you want to study here for detail. You can contact us. Okay, that is all. Thank you very much.
Konnichiwa, minasama. Hajimemashite. Watashi wa Mei desu. I'm currently on my 4th year of bachelor degree
Thank
program
you,
in
Ms.
Faculty
Santi,
of
for
Geological
the presentation.
Engineering,
Before we move to the Q&A
for
session,
the
I've heard
program
that
in
there's a
Faculty
video.
University
Yes,
for
before
the
we
next
go into
semester.
question, I would like to
Based on
play
my
a video
experience
from
of
one
my
of
three
our
semesters,
exchange program
I got various courses
about the
which
program
uncovered
exchange
a new
transfer credit
knowledge
in
about
Akuta University.
application in
And also the
geoscience
video is will
and
be
also
continued for
Japanese
our
classes. I was very delighted to
faculty
find opportunity
video.
to
So for
spend
the
1 year
Indonesian participant can
learning
be
earth science
to say that
from
learn
different
or knows
perspectives
more
by
about
different
our faculty
professors, and
because we
also
already
expand
prepare for the
relations
video.
worldwide
Okay,
through
it's
the
okay.
other local and
Okay.
exchange students. What makes Akita University special to me is because Akita University is one of the best places to study earth science in Japan.
Okay,
Japan
maybe
itself
that will be
has
played by Korea.
various interesting things. Beside the Japanese culture itself, the geography landscape, and the
It's already played
are similar
in the
to
YouTube, Miss.
Indonesia.
Yeah, we
By
can see
joining
it
this
here.
program, I hope I can have a deeper understanding of world geology, history, and problems in international society, to experience a new method of studies or new technologies through taking the classes. I believe when I step outside from the place that I will live in, I will have a better perspective to see towards the region I will live for. Moreover, I'm looking forward to learning a lot of things through the courses and experience to guide me and shape a career in the next future. Arigatou gozaimashita.
Belajar teknik geologi membawa kita pada suatu pemahaman aplikasi ilmu geologi yang mempelajari karakteristik bumi serta sumber daya geologi yang terhampar di muka bumi maupun yang terkandung di dalamnya. Dengan ilmu geologi, kita dapat berinovasi dalam melakukan kegiatan eksplorasi kekayaan alam, khususnya bahan tambang, sumber energi, dan sumber daya air untuk memenuhi kebutuhan umat manusia. Fokus pada pemuliaan lingkungan. Kurikulum Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran didesain dengan menyandingkan kekuatan konsep eksplorasi dan konservasi, rekomendasi pemanfaatan sumber daya yang tidak menyebabkan kerusakan alam. Menggeliatnya kesadaran pemanfaatan sumber daya alam tanpa harus mengambilnya secara langsung, menawarkan warna baru bagi arah pembelajaran teknik geologi. Misalnya, pengembangan kawasan dengan memaduserasikan 3 keanekaragaman alam, yaitu geodiversity, biodiversity, dan cultural diversity, menjadi taman bumi atau geopark. Potensi positif sumber daya geologi serta isu kebencanaan alamiah maupun kerusakan yang dipicu oleh kesalahan pengelolaan lingkungan bukan hanya sebatas menjadi bagian dalam kurikulum, namun juga mewarnai penelitian, pengabdian pada masyarakat, serta aksi kemanusiaan sebagai bagian dari kegiatan kemahasiswaan.
Fakultas Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran adalah penyelenggara pendidikan jenjang sarjana, magister dan doktor dengan keilmuan dan teknologi di bidang geologi yang berorientasi pada pemulihan lingkungan. Capaian prestasi tinggi diperoleh berkat dukungan 9 orang profesor, terbanyak di seluruh program studi di Indonesia, dan 27 dokter pengajar. Penguasaan teknologi dengan sertifikat kompetensi menjadi pelengkap kurikulum untuk lebih siap menghadapi dunia kerja.
Belajar geologi tidak hanya dilakukan di dalam ruangan. Beberapa praktikum mata kuliah lebih banyak dilakukan di alam. Selain lebih mudah dipahami, karena mahasiswa langsung mengamati objek asli, praktikum dan bekerja lapangan akan menjadi pengalaman yang menyenangkan. Dengan dilengkapi 12 laboratorium, mahasiswa bisa mengamati objek geologi secara detail untuk meningkatkan kemampuan dan pemahaman. Fasilitas laboratorium sentral dapat digunakan pada saat melakukan penelitian tugas akhir.
Fakultas Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran memiliki program pascasarjana yang terdiri dari program magister dan program doktor S3. Pendidikan program magister diselenggarakan dengan pengelolaan secara reguler, kelas kerjasama, dan kelas internasional. Untuk program doktor, diselenggarakan sejak tahun 2011, juga telah terakreditasi dengan peringkat A. Proses pendidikan program doktor mulai tahun akademik 2016-2017 mengarus utamakan riset sebagai metode pendidikannya.
Program studi teknik geologi telah memiliki akreditasi A sampai tahun 2022. Adapun untuk student body, program studi teknik geologi ini berjumlah 805 mahasiswa. Metode pembelajaran yang dilaksanakan di program studi teknik geologi adalah student center learning yang terdiri dari problem based learning, role play, simulasi, dan diskusi. Adapun untuk beban studi kumulatif yaitu berjumlah 144 sampai 146 SKS. Para mahasiswa juga mendapatkan beasiswa. Sampai sekarang ini, sampai bulan Agustus tahun 2019, kurang lebih 506 mahasiswa yang mendapatkan beasiswa.
Melalui kerjasama dengan mitra, baik di dalam maupun di luar negeri, dan dukungan alumni, Fakultas Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran berkembang dan adaptif, guna memberikan atmosfer akademik lebih baik, mempersingkat masa tunggu kerja, dan terus meningkatkan kualitas untuk mencetak para ahli yang mampu menjawab kebutuhan dunia.
Saya masuk tahun 80 di Unpad ini penuh dengan pengalaman, ya, dan yang dibina oleh para dosen baik secara akademis maupun secara praktek. Adik-adik yang ingin masuk ke Unpad jangan khawatir, ya, jangan khawatir takut nanti tidak ada lahan pekerjaan. Lahan pekerjaan bagi lulusan geologi itu sangat berlimpah di berbagai aspek atau di berbagai bidang.
Alhamdulillah saat ini saya sudah bekerja pada industri minyak dan gas bumi hampir selama 28 tahun. Tugas saya sebagai seorang exploration geologist adalah untuk mencari dan menemukan akumulasi minyak dan gas bumi. Kepada para siswa yang berniat untuk mendaftar di Fakultas Geologi Unpad, jangan ragu karena kurikulum dan juga laboratorium yang tersedia sangat menunjang untuk proses pembelajaran.
Menggandeng universitas-universitas ternama di beberapa negara, terutama Jepang, Prancis, Malaysia, dan Aljazair, melalui program gelar ganda atau double degree dan pertukaran mahasiswa atau student exchange pada tingkat sarjana, magister, dan juga doktor. Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran membuktikan diri sebagai program studi kelas dunia. Fasilitas pendukung pembelajaran lain yang bisa dimanfaatkan adalah perpustakaan, baik perpustakaan Universitas Padjadjaran yang berfungsi sebagai pusat belajar atau learning center, maupun perpustakaan fakultas sebagai pusat keilmuan.
Berkaitan dengan kegiatan akademik, di Fakultas Teknik Geologi saat ini kami terus berinovasi untuk meningkatkan sistem pembelajaran yang menitik beratkan ke arah pemanfaatan teknologi dan sistem informasi. Selain kegiatan kemahasiswaan pada level universitas, kami juga memiliki unit-unit kegiatan kemahasiswaan pada level fakultas yang berkaitan dengan bidang keprofesian serta minat dan bakat mahasiswa.
Fakultas Teknik Geologi Universitas Padjadjaran setiap tahunnya menerima sekitar 160 mahasiswa baru. Dan tentunya hal ini didukung oleh berbagai macam fasilitas yang dapat dimanfaatkan oleh mahasiswa. Dan mahasiswa terus belajar dan berprestasi demi Indonesia maju.
Di samping fasilitas pendidikan, kuliah teknik geologi memberikan kemudahan untuk mendapatkan akses tempat tinggal, angkutan umum gratis, pemeriksaan kesehatan dan pertolongan pertama, asrama mahasiswa yang nyaman, serta pengamanan 24 jam di dalam lingkungan kampus. Karena kenyamanan dan kemudahannya, angkutan kampus odong-odong sangat diminati mahasiswa, dosen maupun tenaga kependidikan. Untuk menjaga stamina, mahasiswa dapat melakukan aktivitas olahraga perorangan dan olahraga bersama, seperti futsal, basket, badminton, dan lainnya, yang disediakan indoor maupun outdoor di lingkungan kampus. Pusat informasi, sarana untuk melakukan kegiatan ekstrakurikuler, serta air minum gratis tersedia di dalam kampus. Saat ini, Fakultas
basic, but also for the multidisciplinary resource science study for the education and also for social society. Please join with us. And also I will see you on our faculty to become a resource earth science engineering and also to become geoscientist. Thank you very much.
Okay, so to become a geological scientist, you have to come and study at Faculty of Geological Engineering. Is it right, Miss?
Yeah, thank you very much, Una.
Okay, thank you once again for Miss
Visit our website and our Instagram for all of the audience. Thank you very much.
If you guys want to know more about Faculty of Geological Engineering, you guys can visit the website. It's on www.iftgeology.unpad.ac.id, and also that already mentioned before, the Instagram is, what is it?
Yeah, that is can be in the geology _Unpad, yeah, and also in the international unit FTG.
International unit FTG, don't forget.
All of information about our double degree and international activity we will publish in the Instagram international unit FTG. Thank you very much.
Okay, once again, thank you, Faculty Geological Engineering. Okay, so